The SmileFix Standard Dental Repair Kit is an innovative at-home dental solution designed to fix missing, broken, or damaged teeth quickly and effectively. This kit includes color-matching repair beads that ensure a natural tooth appearance, blending seamlessly with your smile. With easy-to-follow instructions and high-quality thermo beads that mold at 140 degrees, users can achieve a temporary tooth repair in just 20 minutes. The durable material is strong enough to allow confident eating and speaking. SmileFix is perfect for individuals looking for an affordable and reliable fix without visiting a dentist. Available in multiple kit options to suit unique repair needs, SmileFix ensures you can smile and communicate with confidence again. To make your shopping experience easier, we have added the necessary link in the comments and description. Check it out and order your favorite product today. Thank you.